Hello and welcome back to our channel The Running Bulls. Today we are going to talk about the trading setups and the trading view for the next day. Let's see what we can do in the upcoming trading session. So here we have a trading setup. The Nifty is showing a bearish sign through its candle setups. So if we're gonna take a trade, we can trade it in selling a one lot of 17,300 CE and buying two lots of 17,500. This will also give us the margin benefit, and it will be a great trade if you are seeing towards a bearish view. So what I will prefer, you should avoid the long calls in these kinds of trading setups. Let's move on to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, as we can see, the Bank Nifty is having a great setup, great resistance around 36,300 and 33 to 350. 36,333 to 36,350. It's a great resistance, and support is all around the 35,334, which is the today's great low. The big candle has been a big bearish move, and the market is always a sideways. So tomorrow we are expecting a sideways market. You can always trade around selling a 36,400 C one lot and buying a 37,800 two lots. This will also give you a margin benefits. Remember, my friends, if it crosses 36,350, that will be your stop loss. In the Nifty case, if it crosses the 17,300 mark, that will be your stop loss to exit this trade. Maximum loss will be of 1500 per lot. Remember, the selling side, the buying side will give you some margin benefits. Let's see the supports and resistance of the Bank Nifty. The major resistance is around 37,800 to 39,100. This will be a major resistance. Major support is always available around 35,341 to 36,359, in between which the Bank Nifty is currently trading. So currently the currently the world markets are trading bullish, so this is a good sign that we can trade around that thing. But on the daily candle, if we sees this kind of trade, let me zoom in the chart. Let me refresh it. So daily candle, it's a hammer candle around the support. So if we see it, and above is the resistance. So what I am preferably seeing is a 2 days sideways market. So you can expect a 2 days sideways market. Probably you should do a option writing in Nifty. Nifty is a low risk low rewarding setup, and Bank Nifty is high risk high rewarding setup. Choose your financial advisor, consult your financial advisor, choose your financial advisor and trade accordingly. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.